So we have found the Roborock Qrevo S to be quite a brilliant robot vacuum and mop combo machine. Now, one thing I do advise when you first take this out of the box and set it up is get the firmware updated, because it does address a number of bugs that may have been fixed since your particular robot was manufactured. Now, updating the firmware is really easy, but I'm not sure why this is. It doesn't actually instruct you to do this automatically. Often when, you install a new bit of hardware, you'll get the notification in the app to update the firmware. That doesn't happen here. We did have to find this manually and see manually that it did in fact need that update. So from the main app page, this is where you can see the Qrevo S as an actual device. You just simply want to select the profile option at the bottom, and then from there, you just tap settings, and then from there it's just a case of selecting the firmware update, and it will tell you if an update is available. Like I say, I'm not sure why it doesn't do this when you first turn this thing on, but hey, there you go. The actual update process does take a few minutes, but like I say, it is worthwhile doing in my opinion. And then probably every couple of months or so, just check that page to see if any further firmware updates have also been made available to download and install. So folks, just a little tip for you there. Hopefully it will be helpful to you. We've not had any issues with running the robot vacuum ourselves, but then we did update the firmware straight away. So hopefully if there were any bugs, then they have been corrected for us. So thank you for taking the time to check out the video. I hope it's been helpful to you, and I'll catch you in the next one.